Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 19 of Treasure Trovember, our 6th annual Mixed Media Collage Challenge. If you have just stumbled upon this on YouTube, welcome, and I suggest that you watch the welcome video first. I'll link down below. It's a really easy challenge to catch up with. You can do it in a couple minutes a day, or you can binge watch a bunch of prompts and get all caught up. So today is day 19 and the prompt is add something hot. Add something hot to your collage today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 20.